Youth, they are the driving force of our community. Creating, collaborating, innovating, they are inspired and inspiring. They're the heartbeat and so much more. Because if you think about it, today, life is wide open. Youth is just a mindset. Fun is fuel. Rules follow you. Technology starts with humans, and guess what? Boundaries are limitless, now more than ever. At Wiko, we are the youth amplifiers, community amplifiers, alongside them every step of the way, to unlock their talent, unleash their boldness, reveal their potential, better still, share it with the world, blending technology and humans, so that right here, right now, we switch opportunity on